fireplace may be controlled using a Skytech remote system. You can identify this by the gray color of your remote. To select the timer on your fireplace, you want to press the time button, and you will see the timer indicator blinking on the top of your screen. You can press the up button to select the time for the fireplace to be running in 15-minute intervals. So you can press it up to 45, and I can use the down button to decrease it from 30 to 15. Again, I use the up button from 15 to 30 to 45 to an hour, and the down button to decrease. And I want to hit set once I have reached the desired timer.